Hello everyone. Today we will learn types, subfields, or we can say branches of accounting. Topic of chapter 1, meaning and objective of accounting. So first type of accounting is financial accounting. Financial accounting includes preparation of profit and loss account and balance sheet. The main purpose of this branch is to provide necessary information to management and other interested parties related to profit or loss of the firm and about balance sheet. Profit and loss account shows profit or loss during the year, and balance sheet shows financial position of our business, means where our business stands. It can be shown by balance sheet. Clear? Financial accounting includes preparation of profit and loss account and balance sheet, and it provides necessary information related to profit and loss or balance sheet to the interested parties. Second subfield of accounting is cost accounting. Cost accounting helps to find out total cost and per unit cost of goods produced and services given by a business. It helps management to control over excessive cost. Cost of production means cost of producing goods. So cost accounting helps to find out total cost of production and per unit cost of production, and by its help we can control our excessive cost. See example, how can we find out per unit cost? Suppose total cost of production is 1 lakh. Unit produced means goods produced 100. Then per unit cost would be total cost upon units produced is equal to 1000. So cost of producing 100 units is 1 lakh and per unit cost is rupees 1000. Cost accounting helps to find out total cost and per unit cost. Clear? Third one is management accounting. Management accounting includes ratio analysis, budgetary control, fund flow statement and cash flow statement, etc. These are techniques under management accounting which will you learn later on. This accounting present accounting information in such a way which is very helpful for management in making and controlling. Management has to plan various activities and also to control the cost. So management accounting provide necessary information to management which is very useful for management in doing planning and controlling. Next type of accounting is tax accounting. As its name indicates, this accounting is used for tax purpose. Income tax and GST are calculated on the basis of tax accounting. Last subfield of accounting is social responsibility accounting. Society provides many facilities to business. So it's a moral duty of business to fulfill social responsibility. Social responsibility includes providing employment, pollution-free environment, product safety, customer satisfaction, etc. In this accounting, cost of above contribution means employment, pollution-free environment, product safety, etc. Cost of above contribution and benefit of above contribution to society is measured. Clear? In social responsibility accounting, social responsibilities performed by a business is measured and its benefit to society is also measured. So these are the types of accounting. First one, financial accounting. Second, cost accounting. Third, management accounting. Fourth, tax accounting. And fifth, social responsibility accounting. Write it and learn it properly.